Now we have to get data into the simulated points. A form we created and 3 dummy data are also created. Now using EpiCollect, we can actually create this dummy data into useful data. So this is our form. I have already logged in, so I need not log in again. So let me simply go to this, view this project, and then there are 3 entries which I created. Let me go to view data. Yes, I can view the data. It is only creation and nothing else, where no location, no close-up, no long shot. But what I have done myself is I have equipped myself with 3 photos. Now, there are 3 photos. This is Dal Lake, and then a few photos are also there. I have equipped myself with these photos. So in the recent, they are there. So this is the other one, the Sher-e-Kashmir University, and things like that. So anyway, I'll go back to the actual EpiCollect, and this is another photo. So what I do now is I try to simulate it. For that, what I want is I have to edit, and for this you please remember, you should be given a status of a manager. So you first collect your data on the first piece of EpiCollect exercise I have given you. Then I will give you the status of a manager. Unless you have the status of a manager, you cannot edit it. So I am now going to just give Srinagar, India. You see what happens? I have given an address and I search. Srinagar, India is there. So let me now go to Shalimar Bagh and again search. There is Shalimar Bagh. I have a photograph of Shalimar Bagh. So this I am going to update the location. That means this location in fact is simulated. Remember it, simulation. That means I have not gone there, but I fetched the photograph from the website. But you people, you can put the photographs you have taken for your various purposes like agriculture, engineering, agriculture, pathology, or wild animals tracking, so many things. So it is left to you. So I say update location. Now I go to the next one. Just click this. So it is asking me to, you see a JPEG. I click on that and go to this thing, and you can actually see where do I have this smartphone training software, and I have them in pictures. So let me search for it. Shalimar Garden. So I just double click it. The picture has come. So let me go to the next one. You know what I should have been doing on the phone, I am doing on the website using my laptop. That is simulation. It will be of a great help to you. So now you know I can put a domain. This photograph is a domain for, let's say, plants. There is no agriculture engineering. If I want, I can click all of them. It is not just one answer, but you can give several answers, because the same location may be good for plants, may be good for pathology, agriculture engineering, animals. But here, this being Shalimar Garden, Shalimar Bagh, I only clicked plants. Then I go to the next. Then I will write simulated. Okay, this is a simulated data, so that people will know that a person has actually not gone there. But in this COVID-19 situation, it is very, very important. So that's it. So name of the person, I will say ABC. You please enter your name so that we can see that you have done it and you get it as a credit. Okay? Yeah, and that. And next is save entry. Good enough. Now I go back to the table again. Now I'll go for the next one. We do the same thing now. We go to the location. We say share a Kashmir University. Let's see, even that much should take us to Srinagar. Let's see. Yes. But it took us to Oxford. It is, no, this is not our latitude, longitude. Now I'll say India. I think this will be a better search. Sher-e-Kashmir, India. University, India. I'll also add Srinagar. Srinagar. Okay? Let's see. Search. Yes. You can actually see it, but it has only given me Srinagar and not that. Because I can see the Dal Lake is here. Enlarge it. And it's better to go to OpenStreetMap. You see, this is Srinagar South, and I know where your university is there. So I simply go to the university. I think the university is somewhere here. So let me go to the satellite image. Probably you are also more, this is the Shalimar Garden. And probably your university is here, Sher-e-Kashmir University, Srinagar, India. Search again. No, it is not given. Probably it is still there at Srinagar. Wherever I put Srinagar. So I go to Srinagar, India, remove Sher-e-Kashmir University search, and it is showing me Srinagar, India. Yeah. Let me see it now. Let me reduce it a bit so that, yeah, it is near about that. Go to OpenStreetMap, then I can see the street, and it is Srinagar. Yes, and the Dal Lake is there, and I just move it to Sapur. Oh, this has gone to Baramulla, but your university is somewhere here. Sure, you can further locate it because you know it better. At the moment, I'll say update location and go to the next, and go for my 10 MB, and go to pictures, and then go to Sher-e-Kashmir University. So I have two JPEGs here. Okay, that is Shalimar Garden. I think I'll take this instead. Okay, then let me go to this. There is, I'll just say agriculture engineering. That will be good. And the person collected ABC, and then save entry. Now I go back, go to the third one, and go to search again. Srinagar, Dal Lake, India. Probably this I'll get just like that. Let me see. Yes, I've come to the Dal Lake. So I can just update the location, go to the next, and I can make Dal Lake here. Dal Lake, houseboat Dal Lake, very famous. Yes, and the domain, I would say, maybe I would simply say plants, whatever it is, and text is the person who collected ABC. Okay, then I will save the entry. Okay, so we have 3 entries saved. Now we go back and go to the map, view table, and go to the map. Okay, let me go back, and then go to view data, and now go to the map. Yes, I can see all of them. So here I think the Dal Lake is there, and probably I have not saved it. That's why it didn't come. In this I have saved it. Dal Lake I have not saved. I'll do it again, no issue. So I'll go to the first one. Go to this, edit, and I have come to the edit. Go here, and the 10 MB Dal Lake, Houseboat Dal Lake. But here I have not saved it. That's why save entry. This I have not done. Good enough. Now go back and click again. Let me see. Okay, maybe it will take some time because it is after all a server, and the server should get the entry. Maybe my internet is not so lively. Maybe it will take some time. Go to, still the third map has not come. Doesn't matter, it will come. So as it is, you know how to save simulated data, but remember, we have to make you a manager of the farm. Then only you can do it. Without that, you cannot. So all those who have done the first work, please give us your Gmail account, and we can make you managers. With this, thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz.